I am Pratik from Viva Labs. We are pioneers and industry leaders in HSI tools and methodologies. We provide embedded software expertise across EDA, semiconductors, automotive and communication verticals. Here we are demonstrating TSN and its significance in automotive applications. TSN is a time-sensitive networking. It is a standard technology to provide deterministic messaging and guaranteed bandwidth on standard Ethernet. Guaranteed bandwidth is achieved by providing bandwidth guarantees to different type of traffic. For example, QA is allowed to transfer 2 packets for every packet that QB is allowed to transfer. Deterministic latency is achieved by configuring the network to prioritize the critical packets. There are various standards defined under TSN. Among these standards, 802.1 QBV and 802.1 QBU are important for automotive applications, and we are demonstrating these standards. QBV defines a means to transmit certain critical packets on network which requires determinism. Egress ports are configured to gate logic 1 to select the frame for transmission and logic 0 to buffer the packets in the queue. Gate control logic is usually a list of bit vectors which represents the configuration for each gates. It also contains the time duration for each bit vectors. The purpose of QBU preemption is to allow higher priority frames to start their transmission immediately by preempting the lower priority frames, which leads to reduced latency. Preemption interrupts the transmission of low priority frames during the transmission to process the time sensitive frame. In our case, the frame preemption is used in conjunction with time aware shaper. We are using here TSN capable LS1028A industrial application processors. This machine is configured as talker, this as a switch and this as a listener, and we are using external host machine to achieve best effort traffic. The talker machine sends critical packets periodically and these packets are destined towards listener. The external host machine sends critical packets to the listener via the switch. The best effort traffic packets are pushed with priority 5 and are allowed to transmit for 20 microseconds, and the critical packets are pushed with priority 0 and are allowed to transmit for 5 microseconds. Configure these machines with the scripts for talker, switch, listener and external host machine. Run ping command for critical packets on talker machine and iperf to achieve best effort traffic on external host machine. As seen from the eatDool command, the critical packets are populated on Q1 and best effort traffic on Q5. TSN tool is a user space application by NXP used to set TSN capabilities on Ethernet ports of TSN switch. The critical packets are enabled for 5 microseconds and best effort traffic packets are enabled for 20 microseconds. Now let us enable the QBV and see that the latency is reduced and jitters are observed. The latency is reduced significantly from 1.45 milliseconds. The jitters are observed because the large frames are buffered in the queue against the best effort traffic frames, and we avoid this using QBU standard. It can be seen in this graph. The bandwidth for critical packets is increased and that for best effort traffic is decreased. Now let us enable QBU. The critical packets are marked as express and best effort traffic as preemptible. The express packets are prioritized over preemptible packets and hence jitters are not observed. It can be seen in this graph. For more details about TSN, you can reach out to us or visit the Viva Labs website.